Hi honeys, welcome back to my channel. I've been really missing doing makeup because honestly I just stay inside and I don't do any makeup, and I feel like I'm drifting away from the art of makeup. And I am doing a challenge where I'll do some videos periodically selecting random makeup looks and I'll just do them. I found it on Pinterest. Like it was like a 30-day makeup challenge, but I'm not going to be consistent in doing 30 days back to back. So just whenever I feel like doing makeup and doing a look, I'm randomly selecting. So let's get into a brown smoky eye. I'm already letting y'all know I'm not going to put primer on because I washed my face about 2 hours ago. I prepped it, exfoliate, moisturize, everything, the whole 9 yards. Let's get my big tin head in the picture, in the frame. But yeah, I did everything already, so no need for primer today. So first I'm going to start by doing my brows. I'm using, the good old classic Anastasia brow dip in dark brown. And I kind of use this technique where I do some brow mapping to make sure my brows are a little bit even and filled, nicely. Now I just conceal. I'm using another classic, the LA Girl Pro Conceal, kind of in a tone that is close to my skin tone. And then now I'm going in, like creating the smoky eye. I always start with black line of eyeliner. This is also from Anastasia, and it's their waterproof black gel liner, and I always start like that before I start building the eyeshadows. Now, time to build the eyeshadow. This is from Anastasia as well. Not sponsored, hello, but I have a lot of her products because I haven't gone shopping in a long time. I haven't re-upped on anything, but just taking like a dark brown shade first and packing that on my lid. Alright, still looking pretty crazy, so let's go ahead and start blending things out. How clean is this makeup brush? It'll do. Honestly, it'll do. So now I'm going into the Juvia's Place Zulu. So this is a lighter brown than the first shade I used. I'm just blending it out to get that smoked out effect. So I'm going back into Palm. Going back into the darker shade. I'm pressing that on the lid again. And then going back into the lighter brown on my other eye just to even them out. Adding mascara so I can get ready to put on my false lashes. I did the technique where you use your eyeliner glue, no, your eyelash glue as an eyeliner. So I did that technique, so it was really easy for me to just pop them on there. Now we're moving on to the face. So I usually don't do this, I don't know why I did, but I put concealer down first, whatever, cover up any dark circles. Then I'm going in with my Smashbox 24-hour foundation. Now I'm using my Shape Tape. This is a lighter concealer than my skin tone, and I'm being really specific where I put the lighter shade just so it can give me a little facelift. This is Beauty Bakery setting powder for my under eyes. I'm just pressing it in, not really trying to bake too long, but just pressing it into my under eye area. Now, using my Anastasia bronzer to kind of create some contouring going on, like a softer contour, but this is my favorite way to contour because it's so easy and gives nice warmth to your skin. Now I just carve it out with a lighter foundation powder just to kind of give it more definition. And I go back in with my beauty blender just to blend everything. Now moving on to the lips. So I just use a dark brown lip liner in this Urban Decay lipstick called Smog. Then adding my Rihanna Fenty Gloss on top. My camera was dying, so I actually did all this really fast. Now doing my under eye liner. And smoking out with the shadow. Of course, I'm going to put some setting spray on and realize that I didn't put on any blush. So now I'm adding the blush and camera's dying, so rushing, and I made a mess on my face. Now it looks like I got punched in the face. So I'm just tapping my blender to blend it all out. Okay, that's better. Alright everyone, this is the final look of the random makeup challenge. We did a brown smoky eye today. Well, I did. I don't know what y'all did. But let me know if you would try out this look. Here's the final results. I'll stop talking. I will see you all in my next video. Bye, honeys. Have a great day.
What do you have a comment? No, I ain't say anything. I didn't say nothing.